What's up, guys? We're gonna be checking out the new forest update and volcano update.
Guys, can you hear me?
Let's check out city, because forest is the good for last. So, with some people, hey, stop. Oh my. Slingshot. So I already seen all this stuff, but I'm just gonna show you guys. So this is a slingshot. It seems similar, or it's the same. 5,000 shiny rocks. Then have a lava shirt, a burnt shirt from the picture. Then he has this hat on. So these two are from the picture. Then we have like a space suit that'll keep you. So this is real gold, guys. It shines off. Then some gloves that go with these three. Then I don't know what this goes with. This is a fire hat, a fire umbrella, fire badge. I already bought that. This is like a heart. Yeah. Heart thing. Heart ring. Then this is a flamethrower, so you press this, and then it'll go. And then we have this, I don't know really what it is. I think it's a heater, not a cooler. Then we have a lava drink. Then we have, I don't know what that is, a pepper. When you squeeze this, it makes like a bird noise. Then this is like a hammer to make tools with or something, or to break rocks. Then we have a lava head cosmetic hat. Then we have this arm burnt hat, and that's all for the city. Not new balloons. What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay. Hey, I'm trying to record a video. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm up with my friends. Guys, go nap chat. Go nap chat. Can you guys go nap chat? Can you guys go nap chat, please? So the people can hear you. Okay. But anyways, guys, you can actually swim in the lava. I got stuck right there when it was about to erupt, so we need to be fast so it doesn't be cold. And oh no, I feel like this is gonna be a good. So guys, you can actually swim in this lava. Hold on. See, if you do this, you'll kind of get like effect. You can actually swim in it, guys. Yeah, you can. I had to end the video here. Bye, guys. Please subscribe and like. Bye.